Hello, this is Steinar Holes, and today he will teach you how to use the Hoverbit template level 1. The first thing we need is a piece of cardboard, then the template, and place it on top of the cardboard. Then we start by drawing a center line. Then draw point A, then B1, B2 and B3. Then we have to draw the circle. Once that is done, we can start on the outer shape. Be sure to include the entire outer shape. Now we have drawn one side. Now we will turn the template to draw the other side. It is important to center the template so that we see that the points hit and the lines are in the middle. Then we start by drawing the remaining circle. Then point B2 and then the outer shape. The base plate is finished and you can move on to the normal instructions for Hoverbit.